Hello, my friends. Good day. I'm Liz from Guangzhou Kio Lighting Company. Here, Liz in Hong Kong to attend Hong Kong International Lighting Fair Spring Edition. Compare with the autumn edition, fewer buyer and seller. This fair showing commercial lighting, indoor lighting, include panel light, down light, ceiling light, and outdoor lighting. With two floors, first floor and third floor. So above is the situation about Hong Kong International Lighting Fair.
On this catalog. Yes. The process is just like to verify the qualities of the
If you want to know more details, welcome to follow our social media. Thank you. Goodbye.